Let's explore the Model View Controller, or MVC pattern. This is an architectural design pattern commonly used in software development. So, what exactly is MVC? It's a design pattern that separates application logic into three interconnected components. This separation promotes better organization, maintainability, and scalability of your code. The three main components of MVC are the model, the view, and the controller. Each has a specific responsibility within the application. First, let's talk about the model. The model is responsible for data management and business logic. This includes things like database operations, data validation, enforcing business rules, and data processing. Next up is the view. The view is all about the presentation layer and the user interface. It's responsible for displaying data to the user through HTML templates, handling user interaction, and managing any front-end logic. Finally, we have the controller. The controller acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. It handles requests from the user, processes input, coordinates the flow of data, and returns responses to the user. Let's take a look at a simple PHP MVC example. On the left, we have a model called userModel with a method to get a user from the database. On the right, we have a controller called userController with a method called show that calls the model to get user data and then passes that data to a view. What are the benefits of using the MVC pattern? Firstly, it makes your code more maintainable by separating concerns. Secondly, it makes your application more scalable, as components can grow independently. Thirdly, it promotes reusability, as models and views can be reused in different parts of the application. And finally, it's team-friendly, as multiple developers can work on different components simultaneously. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.